What is gluten?
Gluten is a type of protein found mainly in wheat, barley, and rye. It gives bread its chewy texture and helps foods maintain their shape. While common in many diets, gluten doesn't offer any unique nutritional benefits. It's simply a part of certain grains, and for most people, eating gluten-containing foods is considered safe.
Who should avoid gluten?
People with celiac disease must avoid gluten completely as it damages their intestines and causes serious health problems. Others may have non-celiac gluten sensitivity, experiencing symptoms like stomach pain after eating gluten. A third group, those with wheat allergy, also need to avoid gluten-containing products. For these individuals, gluten-free diets are medically necessary.
Is gluten harmful for everyone?
For most people, gluten is not harmful. There is no scientific basis for removing gluten from your diet if you do not have celiac disease, wheat allergy, or gluten sensitivity. In fact, avoiding gluten without a medical need can result in missing out on certain nutrients found in whole grains.
Are there benefits to going gluten-free?
Gluten-free diets are essential for some, but not a health requirement for the general population. Many gluten-free packaged foods are not healthier and may lack fiber. Only those with diagnosed gluten-related conditions benefit from avoiding gluten. For everyone else, there is no proven health advantage to eliminating gluten from your diet.
How do I know if I should avoid gluten?
If you have symptoms like digestive discomfort or unexplained fatigue after eating gluten, talk to a doctor before making changes. Medical testing is needed to diagnose celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Self-diagnosing and eliminating gluten without advice can make diagnosis harder and may lead to an unbalanced diet.
Key takeaways.
Gluten is not bad for everyone. Only those with specific medical conditions should avoid it. Feel free to enjoy gluten-containing foods as part of a healthy, balanced diet if you do not have gluten-related health issues. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your diet or gluten.